Jonas, can you hear me? Can you hear me, please?
Yes.
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 I hear
তাহলে
you.
আপনার ইয়েতে যে যে সমস্যা আছে এই সমস্যা এই এক সপ্তাহের মধ্যে ক্লিয়ার করবেন, বুঝতে পেরেছেন? আপনি ক্লাসে আসার আগে একটু প্র্যাকটিস করে নেবেন, যাই বলবেন একটু প্র্যাকটিস করে নেবেন। মানে ওই যে ইয়েটা যে জড়তাটা আছে না, ওইটা আপনার ভাবতে হচ্ছে, ওইটা আপনি ক্লিয়ার করে নেবেন, বুঝতে পেরেছেন? তো বিফোর ইউ কাম টু দ্য ক্লাস,
জি।
প্লিজ মেক সাম রিহার্সাল, ওকে? Make some preparation that I will in this class, in my class, in today's class, I will say this and that, and blah blah blah. Okay, you can prepare from the morning until till the evening. So make some list, make some items. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 like this. If you want to say some sentences, please write it down in your khata. In the beginning of your class, you can see it, and you can read it like a sentence, them like it that you are reading in this from a book. Okay, in this way you can practice in the beginning.
Okay.
Okay. So what is your experience? How do you feel in the class? Do you have any suggestion in this class? That if the class is not like this, if the class were like that, this would be so nice. This is not so fine. If you make this profession and more funny, more lively, then it will be fine. Okay. Do you have any suggestion? Actually, this is you are suggesting me. Do you have any suggestion in this manner, in this way, in this section? আপনাদের কেমন লাগছে? Please give your impression. কেমন লাগছে? In যে অনেকগুলো classes, there are so many classes we have finished. So what is your impression?
Can I speak now, sir?
Yes, yes.
In those class, I know how to make a question.
Okay.
Before those class, I can't make question frequently, without any hesitation. I can't make any question. Now I can make question in right way.
Okay. So
And
this is a very positive development, and I want this from your from beginning of your class. Okay. So this is my duty. My duty is not to teach you all the time. My duty is to give you some encouragement and give you to some helpful hints. This is my task actually. I will not teach you all the things. Okay, I will give you some helpful hints and some ideas so that you can do it yourself. You can speak yourself. You can make some initiative yourselves.
yes.
Then
Practice makes a man perfect.
practice. Yes, this is the
I
main.
am practicing.
Yes. Yes. So
If I continue
yes.
my practicing, yes, sir. But from your class, I have confidence to talk English.
Okay.
Before this, I can't talk English. I am feeling if I talk wrong, people laugh, people talk bad about me. But now I think that I speak continuously. If I speak continuously, one day I will be good in English.
Yes, yes.
If
Yes.
I can't improve any day. I can't improve any day.
Okay. So, okay, can you make any question? Can you ask any question to me, to your teacher? Do you have any question to your teacher?
Yes, sir. Nowadays, I face when I talk in English, 2 sentence, 4th sentence, 5 sentence, then I am stopped. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sentence will be okay. But when I talk in more English, I have lost my confidence.
Okay. This is a problem at the
Can't
beginning.
make-
At the beginning, everybody does so. Everybody feels some actually some problem. There are actually some problems and they some shake. They cannot make any decision at the beginning of their class. So it is not a problem. It is not a hassle. With the as you are learning, as you are passing the time, you are giving time. It will be actually okay. It will be no problem with the passage of time. Okay, so please, it is your duty to continue this, and do not think that I cannot do this thing, I cannot pronounce this thing, I cannot make any sentence, I have a stock of vocabulary, I do not know this thing. Then please do not do anything like that. Please do not go into negative things. Please omit negative things and anything that are negatives.
Thank you
Always be.
for your always be with us.
So I told you, I asked you to ask question to your teacher Ujjwal Kabir. Do you have any question? Do you have any suggestion that this class can be made
More in next class, I will be tell you something about it. At now, I can't think anything, sir. In next class, I will be must be say you to how to we can improve our English more than before. Please, sir, give me some time.
Okay, then, madam, please. What is your suggestion? Do you have any further suggestion? You have said much. You have told much. So, do you have any suggestion to make the class more fruitful, more lively, more clear, and more, I will say, bright?
Informative.
It's
So, what is your suggestion?
Nilimapa, are you here?
Hmm? कोई ओपन Yes. Yes, or suggestion. Please give me some suggestion to your teachers. Nuru, yes. Please start.
Oh, sir, I need some time. In our next class, I will be suggest you for this.
Okay. And you are actually your friend enough. Okay. So make some
Yes.
and in the next class you will make some notes. Make a notes that I will say this thing and those things and that things, and you will speak it very clearly. So and fluently. I will say it effortlessly, and you do not shake. You do not say that I have some problem. You need not show this in the public before your teacher. You have to think that I have come here. I have come in this platform to learn English and to show English and to show the person that I can learn English. Okay, so please have some confidence. Please and learn something before you attend the classes, and please make some preparation. Okay, that I today today we are going to participate this class. So from the morning, you can make some notes, some preparation, some learning something new, and you can also say that I have in today's class especially I have make some notes, and it is my own actually preparation that I will say something new in this class. Okay, and you can make some routine, you can make some timetable, if you invest 5 minutes or 10 minutes every day, then your progress will be more clearly, more actually distinct, more clear. Everybody can understand that you are progressing very shortly with a very short time. So please do these things. And actually, the time is very valuable in everybody's life. Nobody can budget some time. Nobody can give time to the extra class, to any course. So you have to think that time is very limited. Time is very valuable. And what I am doing these things, it may be so happen that in the next class you cannot get in time. You will be so very busy. Your guest will come. Your kids and sons will be sick. There are so many problems in your life, in our daily life. So when you come to the class, you please make some preparation. Please do something new. You can also tell us that I have learned today 3 words and 5 words new. So it is your asset. It is your treasure. It will be treasure one day. It will be your asset one day. Okay. Okay. Then yes.
I understood your
Yes.
every
Yes.
sentence.
Yes. So actually, sticking to any matter, any subject, any work, any sort of work, any mission or any vision is very important. If you are a doctor and if you do not practice, what will happen? You will forget all the things of a doctor. Any operation, any medicine, you can also forget the names of medicine. Okay, it may happen. So practicing is very important, and you have to do it very routine wise. Okay, like a routine.
Yes.
It will be routine.
Yes.
And another important thing is that we do not actually can participate in our class regularly. We participate in our class every other day. I mean, only 3 days in a week. So this time is very important. You cannot neglect this time. You have to think that it is very valuable. It will be an asset if you use it, if you budget it properly, if you plan it properly. Okay, and you can also advise like this to your kids, to your sons. They are small, so they can learn many things from you. So can you make any question to your teacher?
Sir,
Do you have any question?
true. Yeah, no, I don't. But
You can question me, and you can see me. You can actually check me how I answer this question. It is actually your pattern, your style, and your teacher is still the same or different. How can you learn from your teacher? Is there any special in your teacher's class, especially in your teacher's English? The way of speaking, the pattern of speaking, the fashion of speaking is different from person to person. So you can ask any question to any person, and you have to see whether their speaking is like your way or their way is different. It is very normal that the English people speak is very different. Nobody can speak like in a single method, in a single way. So you can ask a question to any person to see what they are saying and in which way they are learning. Why are they important? Why are they actually bright speaker? Why are they fluent speaker? What are the features in them? What is the characteristics in them? Okay, so you can learn like this by asking only question. You have to see how they answer a question. Are they actually shaky? Are they actually trembling while speaking? কথা বলার সময় তারা কাঁপাকাঁপি করছে, or they are speaking fluently or effortlessly. Okay, you can learn many things from a speaker when you ask them questions.
yes.
Okay, can you ask any question?
I can't preparation any question for today, but
Okay,
next
okay.
class
Okay,
I will be
so in the next class,
question.
please ask me some question. Okay, 2 or 3 question, and you will see that
Yes.
how I answer this question. The choice of my word এই যে আমার শব্দের যে ব্যবহার, চয়েস অফ মাই ওয়ার্ড, আমার শব্দের ব্যবহার কেমন, আমি শব্দগুলোকে কেমন ভাবে ব্যবহার করছি, হ্যাঁ, আমার শব্দগুলো কি সবগুলো কমন জিনিস আসছে, আমি নর্মাল যে শব্দগুলো ব্যবহার করি সেটাই আসছে, নাকি অ্যাবনর্মাল কোনো মানে নতুন কোনো শব্দ আসছে, হ্যাঁ, এভাবে কিন্তু অনেক কিছু আপনি আইডিয়া করতে পারবেন, বুঝতে পেরেছেন? So from I am telling you again and again that you, by learning, by asking only question, you can learn many things. Those who are bright students
Yes.
can ask question, and those who cannot ask question are not actually bright, actually good students. Good student can always ask question to the teachers.
Yes. Who want to know? He will be better.
Ah, okay, that is nice, that will be nice. So I have to finish today's class. Inshallah, I will see you next class. Okay, so make some preparation. Hey, please have some confidence. Do not shake. Do not tremble. Have some confidence in you that I can do something. I can make something. Can make something new, and make something very well. Yeah. Which the other person cannot say, cannot pronounce, cannot tell, cannot speak.
Yes, sir.
So thank you very much for today's class.